If you love the sound of that, you're going to love my 4-ingredient, 1-bowl wonder, no need, no effort bread. Hope this makes it to your Valentine's Day table. Let's go. In a really big bowl, 6 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast on the opposite side of the bowl. Stir it together and add in 3.5 cups of warm water, not cold, not hot. Mix it all up until you have a sticky dough. Cover it and let it rest overnight. I let mine rest in a cold oven. When you wake up, it should quadruple in size. Flour your counter really well. Pour out your dough and flour the top. Just shape it a little bit until it's no longer sticky. No kneading involved. Cut your dough into 2 equal pieces, flour it once again, and make sure that they're no longer sticky. In a baking dish with parchment paper, place your dough balls, lid on, and pop them in a cold oven. Now you can turn on the oven to 450. Bake them covered for 30 minutes, then uncovered for another 30 minutes until it looks like this. Enjoy and follow me for more.
If you love sandwiches and toast, you should try making my mother's peasant bread in a loaf pan. Here's how. In a large bowl, combine 3 cups of flour and 1.5 teaspoons each salt, sugar, and instant yeast. Add 1.5 cups lukewarm water and stir until you have a sticky dough ball. Cover the bowl and let the dough rise in a warm spot for about 2 hours or until doubled. Use 2 forks to release the dough from the sides of the bowl and shape into a rough ball. Pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the top and turn the dough to coat. Transfer the dough to a buttered loaf pan and let rise for about an hour until the dough crowns the rim of the pan. Transfer the pan to a 375-degree oven for 45 minutes, then turn the loaf out onto a cooling rack. If time permits, let cool for at least 30 minutes before slicing. This bread is so soft and squishy, it's great for sandwiches and it makes excellent toast. The recipe is up over on Cup of Joe. I hope you love it. Bye.